Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss about how to handle certain missed values uh, in SAS. So usually we have that whenever we have a missing value, whenever we have a missing value, we usually denote it by dot. And if we do not denote it by dot, then there will be an error thrown by SAS. So let's say we had this data, student ID, name, age, class, and accordingly we had these rows. And if I remove this data, maybe just I remove this data, and if I try to run it here, and you'll see what is going to happen is it is going to give, see, so it has just shifted S02 to class, and accordingly it has shuffled the data wrongly. But now if I say no, I'll just increase the length of the name, because by default it takes length of 8. That's why it is not taking full Johnny Senior. I'll make it 20 maybe. So now you see that the data was presented wrongly. Now what I have to do, usually what I do, I'll just put a dot here to represent that the data is missing here, and then it will be fine. See, right? But what if I don't want to put the dot, and I know there are a lot of such rows where the data is missing and I don't want to put a dot. So what I can do is I can just write infile data lines Missover. Of course data lines here, because here also we have written data lines. We can also use cards instead of data lines. So we can also use cards here instead of data lines, and that will be the same thing actually. Cards or data lines, that's the same thing. So maybe in this code I'll show you how to use cards, maybe by using cards. So okay, so we just have to write this line in file cards Missover, and then it will automatically understand. Okay, it will read line by line, and it will automatically understand if the line only has 3 values in some of the one of the line, or many of the line, any of the line, then it will assume that the data is missing. But so I'll just run it and show first. So we didn't put dot here, and the class was missing, and we didn't put dot here, and now see, it won't show the same error which it showed previously. No. Oh, because I started from the next line, so that's why it is showing first row blank. So yeah, so see, it is showing the data in the same way as it showed when we put the dot. The only problem is that when we put infile cards Missover, so the missing data, it won't know, it won't be able to know that which data is missing. So automatically it will keep shifting. For example, if we had this not missing, and if we had this data missing, then it won't know that which data is missing. So it will automatically start counting from left, 1 2 3, and 4 data, it will automatically say okay, 4 data is missing. So it will start assuming that the missing data is from the right side. So if we have 6 columns, and for 2 the data is missing, and that is second and fifth, so it will automatically shift the third data for the third column to second, data for the fourth column to third. Accordingly it will shift all the data. It will assume that the last data is missing always. So even if the data missing is second data, but it will automatically shift third to second, fourth to third, and it will assume fourth is missing. So that's the drawback of this statement, that it will automatically assume missing values from the right. So even if we have missing values in somewhere in middle, then also it won't understand that. It will assume that it is the rightmost value it is missing. If one value is missing, if 2 values are missing, then rightmost 2 values are missing, and accordingly it will assume. So that's the drawback. So we can only use this if we know that only the last value is missing, or the last 2 values are missing. Then only we can use this statement, otherwise it won't work for us. So See, yeah, here we had this ninth missing. Age is missing basically. Class, we had class ninth, but here it will give error because uh, nine. It'll try to fix ninth to age. It'll first try to fix ninth to age, because of course it will shift ninth to the third column, and when it will find that okay, age is a numeric variable, ninth is a character, and then it will throw an error. So let's say the class was like this, 9. Assume the class was 9, then it will take 9 as its value. Although 9 is representing class, it will take it in age. So see, it won't throw an error because now it is a numeric variable, numeric value. Although 9 represents the class, we just remove th so that it doesn't remain like a character. So although 9 belongs to class, but it will take it in age because it will shift it to the left side. Although age was missing here, but the class goes to age and the class is shown as missing. Now what if we keep it as character? It will throw an error. See, it will throw an error. Not error, but it will show it as blank. So it will show both of them as blank. So this is an error actually. So because it tried to fit ninth in age, but uh, it tried to fit ninth in age, but it found that ninth is a character, but age is a numeric variable. So it just assumed it blank, and class anyways we didn't have fourth value after ninth, so anyways it was blank. So that's why it showed both the columns blank. So although ninth was actually the ninth was the fourth value technically. So it's still because it shifted it to left. So and the left was a numeric variable, numeric column, and class is a character column, so it couldn't fit that. So it just made both these columns blank. So that's basically in file cards misover, and it's a useful function when we have, we know that in all the rows the only last values or the missing values exist at the last of the line only, then it is fine. But if the missing value is somewhere in the middle, then this won't work. So yeah, thank you for now.